I'm actually in Mizoram right now, in quarantine center. So yeah, I'm in quarantine for 14 days and this is the day one. I thought, let's vlog it. I don't know how it's gonna be, but yeah, let's vlog it. आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंची, right? Because so suddenly I was in Guwahati and so suddenly I'm in Mizoram. I mean, how? So basically, मेरे घर में दादा दादी थे, and if you watched my Mizoram vlog, so that time they came along with mom and me in Guwahati. And after that, boom, this coronavirus outbreak, lockdown thing, so they got stuck there. And since then, like they have been wanting to come back. We decided that we should bring them home. And the only person who was available was me. That's how I came to drop them. Basically, college is not happening right now. Yeah, that's about it. I am actually in Longtalai. I think I will give you a tour of this quarter or this quarantine home later on. But for now, this place, we just reached here like last night, kal, 1 a.m. And this place is a huge mess right now. I think we should just go and clean a little bit. Yeah, let's do that. What? No water? Really disappointed. I'll have to make some calls, guys. Wait. Okay. So I called few people. I called one person. I called the nodal officer. I mean, I don't even understand what is written there. Okay. I just know the numbers, then that's how. Apparently, no numbers are reachable. There's no electricity since the past 2 days. So my battery might die anytime. So I talked to a person and he told me that he will make the water available for us in a very short time, but nah, I don't think so. It's taking too much time. So this is our food for today. We have rice. We have omelette, dal, and yeah. So I just managed to get a bucket of water from the ones who are in duty. Actually, there's no electricity here, and our tanky is like empty. So without electricity, you cannot run the motor and you cannot have water. That's a sad life, and that's a very, very frustrating starting. I'm gonna brush now. I still haven't been able to take bath. And I'm stinking. Okay, I know it's too much information for you guys, but I am stinking. My hair is like 5 kilos now because of the dust. Still no electricity, still no water. God, I have patience, but I don't know. Quick update, just got electricity and also changed our room because there was no water in the previous one, so we changed it. And in this one we have only 2 rooms and I'm sleeping in the hall. I'll tell you how we moved here tomorrow. I'm going to sleep now. It's been a long day. Okay, I just charged my phone, so that's why I'm making this video.